Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever place you are watching me from. I want us to have a look at this question of the subject of a formula. Now, the question is, make B the subject of the formula. That is, in this equation, that is A equals to BD all over the square root of B squared minus D. Now, I want us to have a look at the solution. Now, the first thing that we shall do at this point is we square on both sides to eliminate this square root. We square, that is on our left, and we also square everything on our right. So that we can say that is we square, that is everything on our right hand side, and also square everything on our left hand side, so that we can have that is a squared equals to BD in bracket squared will be B squared D squared. Then all over this square root sign goes with this, and therefore we shall have B squared minus D. Now I want us to eliminate that is B squared minus D in the denominator by multiplying with that is B squared minus D on both sides, by multiplying by B squared minus D on both sides, so that this one and this one simplifies, so that we can have that is B squared minus D, then close the bracket, then A squared equals to B squared D squared. Now from there we can open the bracket. B squared times A squared, it can be A squared B squared. Then negative D times A squared, it is negative A squared D equals to B squared D squared. Then from there I can let us bring this to this side, and also let us take this to the other side, so that we remain with the terms that have B squared on one side. So we have that is A squared B squared, then minus B squared D squared equals to A squared D. Then from there we can factor out, that is the common term here. The common term is B squared. And when we factor it out, we shall have A squared minus D squared in the bracket, that is inside the bracket, equals to A squared D. Now, I want us to divide by A squared minus D squared on both sides. That is by A squared minus D squared. So that this one and this one simplifies. So that we have, that is B squared equals to, that is A squared D all over A squared minus D squared. Then from there we can have, that is we can find the square root on both sides. We can find the square root on both sides, so that we have our B as plus or minus the square root of, that is A squared D, then all over A squared minus D squared. Then from there, we can have our B as plus or minus the square root of, that is A squared D all over A. This is a difference of two squares, and it can be A plus D, then A minus D. And that is the answer that we shall have in making B the subject of the formula. We have made B the subject of the formula at that point.